Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we will be talking about piecewise functions. Okay, so we have this f of x equals to negative 3x squared minus 10 when x is less than negative 3, and also the other behavior of the function is negative 6x squared minus 10 when x is greater than or equals to greater or equal than negative 3. So a good strategy here is actually to draw the intervals. Okay, we know here is positive infinity, negative infinity. So when it's less than negative 3, so here, and when it's greater or equal than 3. Okay, when it's less than negative 3, I know the behavior is negative 3x squared minus 10. And when it's greater than or equals to 3, it's going to be negative 6x squared minus 10. Okay, let's proceed to understand. We're asked f of negative 7. Negative 7 will be here, so the behavior is going to be applied to negative 3x squared minus 10. So we'll have negative 3 times negative 7 to the square minus 10. This will be negative 3 times 49 minus 10. All right, let's calculate that number. All right, that is equals to negative 157. This is f of negative 7, f of negative 7. All right, that's our first calculation. Okay, let's go with f of negative 6. Same way, negative 6, here's negative 7, so negative 6 will be here. For negative 6, we'll have negative 3 times negative 6 to the square minus 10. F of negative 6 will be equals to negative 3 times 36 minus 10. All right, let's calculate that number. Okay, the result is negative 118. All right, let's go with our last number. So just let's fill out the information. Negative 157 and negative 118. Okay, now we have to calculate f of 5. F of 5 will land in here. So we're going to use the next behavior, which is the negative 6x squared minus 10. So we'll have negative 6 times 5 to the square minus 10. This f of 5 will be equals to negative 6 times 25 minus 10. We know that negative 6 times 25 is negative 150 minus 10. This should be negative 160. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.